you've done throughout the last few weeks that has earned Nick's and the coach's trust?
Well, I honestly don't think I've done anything so far. Still got more to prove, more to learn. Um, just want to, come in and bring the energy every day. Be in the position I need to be in, and do the things I need to do to, put myself on the court.
What does it feel like to come in and fight for a spot on that team that won a championship, has, a group that's been together, has a lot of chemistry together? What does it like to come in and battle for a spot?
Well, it's an honor to work with the reigning champs, man. I just think it's a dream, to be with a coaching staff like this. So amazing. Um, you get to learn a lot because you got guys who's been to the finals, so they know a lot. So it's just a learning curve for me. To learn a lot.
Are there guys that you've gravitated to so far, like learning from?
For sure. Most of the vets, talk to me often. On the court, off the court. Just give me pointers, things of that sort.
Nick was playing you a little bit more point guard earlier in camp in the exhibitions. The other night, in the deeper rotation role, playing alongside other guys off ball more. Are you more comfortable in that role right now, the off ball role, where you're more of a secondary playmaker?
I would say I am, only because that's what I've been playing pretty much all my career in college, and I just feel natural playing off others, playing off dribble penetration, things of that sort, long closeout. So I definitely feel comfortable in that position.
How is the point guard development coming along with you?
It's coming along pretty good. I'm learning a lot day by day. I'm actually excited to play both because I love to learn, love to there's always room to grow. So it's definitely coming along.
It seems like you're making an impact pretty quickly when you come into the game off the bench. What is it that you're looking to do specifically when you get into the game?
Just rise the energy. That's one thing I can control, energy and my effort. So that's one thing I want to come in the game and automatically make an impact. Rise the energy of the 5 guys on the court, including me, and just do the little things right, man. That's about it.
How closely did you watch what happened here last year?
Very close. I don't know if I should say this, but Kawhi's, he was one of the players I've always been watching since he was at the Spurs and things of that sort. So I was definitely watching the Raptors close, not knowing that I would be on the team the following year. So like I said, it's just a blessing. It's amazing.
Everything that happened around the team, I mean, the parade was.
Oh yeah.
People
Wow.
standing outside watching the game.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, did you know what to expect from the fan base?
I did not, but once I seen the parade, I knew that the fan base was, amazing. I've definitely experienced a lot of love here in Toronto. It's been unbelievable. So.
What are you expecting? I mean, obviously you're going to be able to kind of sit back and watch that, that ceremony
Right.
on Tuesday. There's going to be a band going to the
Right.
Raptors. I mean, and you're going to experience what the fans are like here. What do you expect?
I expect it to be a great ceremony. Just looking forward, one day of having one of those ceremonies of my own, working towards that, making it happen again and again. That's a goal here. Obviously, it's a pretty, known program, organization. So definitely looking forward to, having that, being a part of that ceremony one day.
Speaking of that organization, just having a chance to hang around the veterans a bit now, do you get a sense of why they've been so successful and the attention to detail, all that sort of stuff?
Definitely. These guys work, man, and that's how I came along. That's how I came about. Just putting in the work, putting in the effort, and I just adapt. I feel like I adapt right away. Just the work, the guys do, and that I see, and just make me want to, work even more.
Terence, Nick was saying that one of the reasons he went with the 7 guys initially in the rotation against Brooklyn was so that you guys could see
Right.
how competitive that group
Exactly.
is, how much they communicate not to them. What stood out to you when you watched them?
Just what you just said. Playing together, talking, communicating, just moving the ball. That's another thing in, defensive, first and foremost, just being in gaps and, playing the right way. And I got to see that before I got in the game and was able to come in and, just be effective right away.